Moringa, often called the miracle tree, has taken the world by storm as a powerful superfood. With its rich nutrient profile packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa is now a staple in health supplements and organic products across the globe. Once considered a traditional remedy in South Asia and Africa, it's now cultivated worldwide to meet booming global demand. This surge in popularity has transformed Moringa from a humble backyard tree into a major cash crop. Farmers are scaling up operations, agribusinesses are investing in value-added processing, and exports of Moringa powder are reaching record highs. It's not just a plant, it's a billion-dollar superfood industry. Moringa thrives in hot, dry regions and is extremely drought-tolerant. It grows best in tropical and subtropical climates with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. The plant can grow in poor soil, but well-drained sandy or loamy soil with a neutral pH provides the best yield and leaf quality. Farmers often choose open fields that receive full sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Rain-fed areas work well, but supplemental irrigation during dry periods improves productivity significantly. Because of its adaptability, Moringa is now being grown successfully in parts of Africa, South Asia, Central America, and even the southern United States. Before planting, farmers prepare the land by tilling and leveling the soil. Raised beds or ridges are used in areas with heavy rainfall to prevent root rot. Moringa can be grown from seeds or cuttings, and once established, the tree grows rapidly up to 15 feet in just one season. Moringa is typically planted during the rainy season to ensure early growth without irrigation stress. Farmers space the plants depending on the purpose: closer spacing for leaf production, e.g., 1 by 1 meter, and wider spacing if growing for pods or seeds. As the seedlings grow, they are pruned regularly to encourage bushy growth and increase leaf yield. Regular pruning prevents the tree from becoming too tall and ensures a continuous supply of tender, nutrient-rich leaves. Some farmers use high-density planting methods to maximize output per acre. Moringa is often grown organically, making it popular in health-conscious markets. Farmers use compost, vermicompost, or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil and boost plant health naturally. These organic inputs enhance leaf nutrient density while preserving soil fertility. To protect the crop from pests like caterpillars, aphids, and beetles, many growers use natural pesticides such as neem oil, chili spray, or garlic extract. These eco-friendly treatments are effective without harming beneficial insects or contaminating the leaves. Leaf harvesting begins when the Moringa tree is about 3 to 4 feet tall. Farmers cut the tender branches or hand-pluck individual leaves, depending on the method of farming. Regular harvesting every 30 to 45 days encourages regrowth and maximizes yield. Timing is crucial. Leaves are typically harvested early in the morning when temperatures are cooler, and the leaves retain more nutrients and moisture. After cutting, the leaves are collected in clean baskets or trays to avoid contamination or bruising. After harvesting, Moringa leaves are immediately washed in clean water, sometimes with a mild food-grade disinfectant to remove dirt, dust, and insects. Hygienic handling during this stage is essential for high-quality powder production. Next comes the drying process. Leaves are either shade-dried in clean, wool-ventilated rooms or dried using solar dryers and tray dryers. The goal is to reduce moisture content quickly without exposing the leaves to direct sunlight, which can degrade nutrients. In modern Moringa processing factories, dried leaves are crushed using hammer mills or stainless steel grinders to produce a fine, vibrant green powder. This powder is rich in protein, iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Advanced processing units maintain low grinding temperatures to preserve nutritional value. The powder is then passed through fine mesh sieves to ensure uniform consistency and smooth texture, ideal for capsules, smoothies, and health products. Moringa is known for its incredible nutritional profile. It contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. It's also rich in amino acids, making it a complete plant-based protein. Regular consumption of Moringa powder is linked to improved immunity, reduced inflammation, better digestion, and lower blood sugar levels. It's widely used in smoothies, capsules, teas, and even energy bars and skincare products. Because of its diverse benefits, Moringa appeals to a wide audience, from vegans and athletes to individuals managing chronic health conditions. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle product rooted in nature. With growing awareness of plant-based nutrition and superfoods, the global demand for moringa is expected to surge in the coming years. This presents a golden opportunity for farmers in tropical regions to scale up production sustainably. Innovations such as drone monitoring, AI-based yield tracking, and solar-powered dryers are making moringa farming more efficient and eco-friendly. Governments and NGOs are also promoting moringa cultivation as a way to combat malnutrition and poverty.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.